In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect resources located in My Workspace to courses. Now, why would I want to do this? If I'm teaching multiple sections of the same course and I don't want to merge that into one big course, I can post content in resources in the My Workspace area and then link to each of the courses. Every time I upload something to the resources in My Workspace, it will automatically show for students in the sections of the courses. So one upload will show in multiple places. Here's how to do that. I'm in My Workspace and I click on Resources. I've already created a folder for my course, so you would create a folder for your course, and I'm going to click on that now, and then organize it however you normally would for your course. You can just load all of your files, you can make subfolders, however you want to do it. Once that's set, come to the main course folder. So I'm going to go to my PSY 101 course materials folder and select the Actions menu, Edit Details. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to check this, make this folder and its contents publicly viewable. This doesn't mean that everyone in the whole world can see the material. It only means that those that have a copy of the web address or URL will be able to see. In this case, the only people who will have this are the students in your courses. So I've marked that it's publicly viewable, and now I'm going to copy the web address and click Update. Everything in this folder will be seen by students. If you're doing problem set solutions or answer keys, don't put it in the main course folder. We'll talk about that in a moment. I have my URL copied. Now I'm going to go into a course. I'm going to go into resources for the course and come to the Add Web Links link. I'm going to paste in the web address I just copied and provide a name. I'm now going to click on Add Web Links now. And so when my students click on resources, they're only going to see one thing. And if I click on that as a student, this is what I see. PSY 101 course materials and all three folders. If I click on the Week 1 folder, I see what's in Week 1. I can move up by clicking on Up one level, go into Week 2. Week 2 has no files, so nothing shows. I go back up one level. So my students see everything I've added into My Workspace resources with only one link. And I would do this for any other classes as well. Now I'm going to come back to My Workspace. If I click on Week 2 resources and I go to Add, Upload a File, and upload files now, the file is showing in the Week 2 folder. If I go back into the course and I click on Course Materials, now when I click on Week 2, I will see that file. So this definitely saves me time if I'm teaching multiple sections. Now, say you have problem set solutions or you have material that you want to put up that you don't want your students to see. Now remember, when I'm in My Workspace, I can have multiple folders. So I would just create a new folder in the main My Workspace. Create folder now. And so notice it's not in the PSY 101 course materials folder. It's at the same level. So my students can only see what's in that folder. They can't see the hidden from students folder or any of the other folders I have here. So that's the best way to set up your My Resources.